Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP, 4, 6, 8, and so on, right? Now, looking at the AP, we can directly say we can see the first term is 4, so I can start the solution by saying that A is equal to 4. Yeah, A, the first term is 4. From here, we can also figure out what's the common difference, right? So 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is also 2, so the common difference D is equal to 2. Now we want to find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP, so I can say n is equal to 10 as well, right? Now they're talking about the sum of the first 10 terms, so I will use a formula for Sn where A, D, and n, since we know the value of A, D, and n. I'll be using Sn is equal to, if you guys remember, n upon 2, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1, 2a plus n minus 1, n minus 1 into d. Right, this is the formula for sum of n terms of an AP. And now all we need to do over here in this particular sum is plug in all the given values. So S10, because sum of 10 terms, is equal to, and since we know the value of n is 10, so is equal to 10 upon 2. 2a we see is 4, so 2 into 4 plus n minus 1, n we know is 10 minus 1 into d, which we know is 2. So what we've done is we've plugged in all the necessary values, so therefore I can say S10, right, is equal to, let's start solving this now. 2 1s are 2 5s are, so I have a 5 outside the bracket, right? Inside the bracket, 2 and 4 is 8, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 and 2 is 18, right? So I have 8 plus 18 in the bracket, right? So therefore S10 is equal to 5 into 8 plus 18 is 26, 26 into 5 is 130, right? So this is my answer. The sum of 10 terms of the AP is 118. So I'll just write that down as a answer statement. Therefore the sum of the first 10 terms is 130. Right, this is our final answer. It's quite straightforward application of the formula.